Oh, hi, dear. Ready to get your groove on? Hey! Oh, sorry. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. My grandson has one of these. All you need is a hot glue gun. And some fun colors. Just fill in as many buttons as you need. Perfect! Now they're all ready to go. Well, almost. Wanna try it on? Here you go. Ooh, feels like a perfect fit. I love it. Thank you. Let's go. Oh! We've fallen and we can't get up.
Are you almost finished? Yep, it's pretty much done. Great. Wait. Someone's gonna freak out when she sees this cat. Hello? Anybody home? What? Sorry, I'm freaking out! Okay, deep breaths. Thanks. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea! Get a rubber mold like this and stuff it with colorful gummy bears. I'm choosing a bunch of different hues. Put them all the way around the band. Then carefully pour epoxy resin over the bears and fill it to the top. It's ready to wear! And isn't it just the cutest? And it covers my tattoo perfectly! All good! You're covering it? Whatever. Betty, you're home! Hi, Mom! Huh? Oh, a tattoo! Oh, that one's small compared to mine. See? Whoa! You're the best! Like mother, like daughter. A teeny tiny round of applause! It never gets old. Look at all this. Handcuffs? Yikes. Oh, I don't want these around here. Anyway. I don't remember buying these. In they go! Nail polish? Don't eat it. That's good for this box. All done. Oh, what died over here? Ah! That nap was refreshing! More stuff? Cute! But I need more. What's in this bad boy? Whoa! Yeah, right. Nail polish? I definitely could use some of this. Manicure time! But not the kind you're used to. This time we're decorating the fingers. See that stripe of paint? Let it sit and dry. And put it under the UV light. Shouldn't take too long. Now slide it off and get to the fun part. Decorating! A fine brush like this works best. Isn't this heart so adorable? It may take a minute, but it'll be worth it. See? Now you have a new ring. Or two. Breathe through the mouth. Huh? So fabulous. Those rings are seriously pretty. These? I'll pay for them. You first. You! Okay, fine. Yay! I'm rich! I can wash them. What? You guys want more rings? Oh! I forgot about my mom's birthday! I should have something in here. That would be a no. I should have some cash around here. Bingo! Time to shop. Can I afford a phone? A new car? What about a rose? Thanks. Come again. Got anything for $2? I just sold my last bouquet. Oh, man. Well, you've got some petals left. Actually… I know! Don't throw away fallen petals! Paint them with a clear coat of polish. Then stick it under a UV light. That's good. Perfect for sticking this earring post in. Cool, right? So cute! Mom! Oh, hi, Betty. I have something for you, Mom. Oh, how sweet are you? They're just darling. And so original. Thank you. I love you, honey. Time to switch things up. Fresh jewelry! Get it while it's hot!
Tonight's the big night! Whoa! Is it my pits? Ugh. This ought to deodorize me. All done! She's gonna be here any minute! It's time! In you go, little guy! She's coming! Hey!
Hi! Baby, you won't believe my day!
Why don't you have some dessert?
Okay, so at work today…
Uh-huh. Oh. She didn't swallow it, right?
What?
Didn't you see the ring? I put it in your dessert.
That's not good!
Nope. Your necklace!
What?
Nothing! Hold on! See this little straightener? Wrap it with wax paper and stick beads inside. Press! Whoa, cool! Now peel it off in one piece. Then wrap it around a marker. Now it's hardened, see? Betty?
What? Oh!
Will you make me the happiest man and marry me?
Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh. Hi. Oh, a guy. Here you go. Let's see what I can do here. Okay. What do you see?
The cards.
Oh, cool.
It's fine.
Okay.
Don't worry. The crystal ball tells all. Show me the meaning of love, crystal ball.
Is that supposed to happen?
The things I've seen!
I should go.
Wait. I'm picking up something. Yes, that's it. Take some epoxy and pour in some red food coloring, then mix it up really well. So pretty, right? Then pour it into your mold of choice. And once it's hard, pop it right out. But we're not quite done yet. Necklace is ready! Behold!
I love it! It's just perfect! Oh! He likes me? Thanks!
Have fun!
Bye! Let's go!
Another day at the office.
Here! Take this!
Wait! Kiss me! You're my one true love!
Love these fun jewelry hacks? Try some of them out yourself and share this video with your creative friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!